Okay, this is a belated part 3. Took a few days, had a bit of an issue, but I'll let the time lapse roll now. You see that I did have quite an issue with the gearbox to downpipe bracket. The bolts on that one were pretty challenging. I couldn't get any tools on them and took forever. But I'll let this roll and you can see the results. Okay, that's it. Engine's out. That was a bit of a mission. I would not recommend trying to do it that way. I would get a hoist or drop your subframe any other way other than that, because that's heavy and awkward and dangerous. So yeah, don't copy that. I've still got to get the clutch and flywheel off the engine that's just pulled out. I'm going to transfer that onto the new engine. Going to clean up the new engine rear crank seal just for peace of mind, future proof, and also just do a few other bits before the engine goes in. I've got engine mounts and various other little things to come, which I also advise doing before you start the charger work. So you definitely want to do your engine mounts. IO Motorsport, I can't really recommend them. They didn't last too long with me. So trying a different brand, I'll see what happens when they turn up and report on the quality. But now I can crack on with welding. I probably won't record that, to be fair. It's just welding work, it's not too exciting. And I definitely don't want you to see my welding. But yeah, when the next video comes, it will involve a new engine in the engine bay, and I can start piecing it back together and make things interesting. But thanks for watching.